start with this guy on the left that is going around 90 miles per hour. He sees a left lane hog next to a truck with holding a trailer, and he's gonna cut the left lane hog off pretty badly. And that's what you get for hogging the left lane. Up next, we're gonna have another left lane hog that is gonna brake check me and have to move. See, there's no one in front of him. You know, what do they know? Up next, we're gonna have this guy that I guess didn't like that I was going fast in the left lane, and he just cut me off. I don't know what they're thinking. I really don't. Up next, we're gonna see the black Mercedes-Benz. I already saw it on my rear view mirror. He's holding ass. He's gonna pass a car. He wants to get off on the right exit, but he's gonna say, no, I'm gonna pass one more car before I exit, but it was already too late.
Ah, you couldn't turn, you.
Up next, we're gonna see this left lane hogging syndrome that exists here in South Florida. Go on the pass on the right lane and look how many cars are on the left lane, not passing each other, they're just hugging it. Look at the amount of cars. It's insane. Going to pass cars on the right, which is fine. You're supposed to do them in the left lane. Solid white line to the right. You don't cross over it. You keep going. But at this point, he was already hugging the left lane because he didn't want to pass and take over the blue car. He was just staying in the left lane, blocking traffic. Especially me, I was behind him.